Good morning, friends. Today topic is double tune amplifier. Double tuned amplifier. In last lecture, we studied the single tune amplifier. In single tune amplifier, they use only one circuit, but in this they use another two circuit. The two circuit is called double tune amplifier. In double tune amplifier circuit, they provide some type of coupling. They provide some type of this type of coupling. This type of coupling for connection of the for transmission of signal from L1 to L2 by using mutual conditions. Mutual condition means by using this condition, L1 signal is transmitted to L2. L1 is a winding, primary winding. L2 is secondary winding. Okay, so signal transmission of the from L1 to L2 is considered is mutual inductor interstage coupling. Okay, another part is tune amplifier are divided into main two types, that is series resonator and parallel resonator. So this is the one type of parallel resonator circuit, they connected in parallel wise. Okay, is not in serial wise. Okay, the tune circuit L1 C1. What is L1? L1 C1 and L1 C1 L1 act as a collector load for a transistor Q. So this is the base terminal, this is collector, this is emitter. So L1 C1, these two circuit act as a collector load. Okay, collector load for a transistor Q1. The collector connected to, so it is act as a collector load. It is act as a collector load. Okay, and just wait. It is act as a collector load. Another is the output voltage is taken across the resonator circuit. The output voltage taken across the resonator circuit. This is the resonator circuit. The output voltage is taken from here. You can also connect one multimeter and measure the value. Okay, so the output voltage collector from here, you can use the multimeter to measure the value. Okay, and R1, R2 and RE. R1, R2, RE. It is used as a biasing. It is used as a biasing. Biasing is a one type of circuit which is used for the provide external power supply to a transistor. So this is called as biasing. So for biasing, it is act as a biasing resistor to reduce the voltage current provided for this transistor. Okay. So another main application of CC, this is coupling capacitor. So coupling capacitor, it is a use as a it is used as a for transmission of signal to base, from transmitter of signal to base by using RS. RS is a series resistor, and CC is a coupling capacitor. So it is coupling capacitor, and C is a bypass transistor. CE is a bypass transistor connected to emitter terminal. CC is a coupling capacitor for transport the signal to base, and C is a bypass emitter resistance. Connected with parallel of RE. RE is a emitter resistance. Okay, first take the operation. The resonator frequency FR is adjusted to be equal to frequency of input signal. Okay, resonator frequency and input signal frequency is always equal or is adjusted. Resonator frequency FR, this frequency is adjusted by adjusting the input frequency. Okay, so resonator frequency is depend upon the input frequency. Resonator frequency is depend upon the input frequency. Resonator frequency is depend upon input frequency. Resonator frequency increase, input frequency also increase. Okay, it is decrease, it is also decrease. Okay, so this is called as this is the first operation. Another is the RF signal to be amplified is applied to a base via the coupling capacitor CC. Okay, this RF signal, this is radio frequency signal, is applied to base by using coupling capacitor. We already discussed. Okay, the inductor L1 L2 are inductively coupled to each other. Inductor and L1 are in mutual condition or inductively coupled to each other. So in this way, this tune amplifier. In this way, this tune amplifier, it is specifically used for high frequency application, okay. Then we check the formula of critical coupling, that is Ke is equal to 1 upon under root of Q1 Q2. This is a formula for critical coupling, and Q1 is a primary winding, this primary winding, and Q2 is for secondary winding, and this is for critical coupling, okay. And another main important advantage of this tune amplifier, the advantage of tune amplifier is it is possible to increase the bandwidth of amplifier by using this type of single tune amplifier. The bandwidth of this due to this double tune amplifier, the bandwidth is increased. Another is impedance matching is possible, okay. Impedance matching means if source impedance and load impedance are perfectly matched, then maximum signal is transferred from input to output. So for this, it's called as impedance matching. So this impedance matching is possible in this double tune amplifier. Another disadvantage of this amplifier is similar as more number of tune circuit are required to be used. For double tune amplifier, double circuit are required, okay. Another is tuning is critical due to increased number of tune circuit. So due to this using a multiple amplifiers, so tuning is critical. Tuning means for high frequency signal, amplification of high frequency signal. So this tuning is impossible, because due to if we use numbers of secondary stages, okay. Then another is application. This type of amplifier, it is used as a radio receiver, and best example of double tune amplifier is all the stages of IF amplifier are tuned to be same frequency equal to IF, okay. So main application of this type of amplifier, it is used for radio receiver. This is the main important application, radio receiver, okay. We can today we discuss double tune amplifier, its working, its operation, its connection, what connection are with use, then its application, advantage, disadvantage, and all, okay. So this is a very important parameter, and in next lecture we can conclude about the stagger amplifier, okay. So our today's your assignment is draw the block diagram of double tune amplifier, okay. This is your today's homework, okay. Thank you.